Today we're going to make hamburgers in the oven. They'll be the juiciest hamburgers you ever ate. All you do, I have 5 pounds of hamburger here. I made it into balls. So all the hamburgers will be the same size. So then you just push down with the palm of your hand, flatten them all out. So they're all the same size, so nobody can say my burger's bigger than your burger, or my burger's smaller than your burger. Now they're all the same size. Then you preheat your oven on 365. You'll cook them for 45 minutes. Okay, once you get your burgers all flattened out, then you can add a little pepper and salt to them if you like, or you can add, when you make your burgers themselves, you can put onions in them, and garlic, and whatever else you want to put in them. Then, once you get all your spices on them, then you'll cover it with aluminum foil and cover all the burgers. Always use parchment paper. So I put parchment paper down first, and then the burgers, then put the spices on them, then you put the aluminum foil on it. Put it in for 45 minutes. Now you can go sit down and relax and let the oven do your baking. It's been 45 minutes. Let's take them out. Watch for steam. Take off the foil. They're all done. Nice and juicy. Take them out of the pan. Put them on a nice plate, and they'll stay juicy even after if you have any leftovers, you put them in the refrigerator in a container that's got a lid on it. Tomorrow they'll be just as juicy. You heat them up in the microwave for 30 seconds. They'll be just like you just made them. You won't have all the work you had to do today. And since we put parchment paper on the pan, you wait for the pan to cool. Take that parchment paper off and just throw everything in the garbage. Easy cleanup. That's it. That is hamburgers in the oven, 365 for 45 minutes. All done.